Today was an incredible day. I personally booked $1,900 in profit, and most powerful part is my VIP members took the exact same trades with me inside my VIP Telegram group. We executed 9 trades together, and out of those, 8 trades were direct win. Now, I still have around 3 to 4 trades left before I reach my limit for Sunday OTC market. So, what I'm going to do now is analyze the chart carefully, and on the same chart, I'll execute the trades live so you can see the process in real time. Alright traders, so now I'm here on the currency pair USD BTT. I can see a strong setup forming for a call entry. So watch the chart carefully because this has the potential to be a high probability winning setup. First, the market has printed a strong green candles continuously showing buying pressure, and after that we saw a red candle, but it closed inside the body of the previous green candle, which indicates that sellers were not strong enough to break the momentum. Now the market is printing another green candle, which clearly suggests continuation momentum from the buyers. I have marked a yellow line on the chart, and this level will now act as a support zone. If the price pulls back and touch the yellow line within 30 seconds time frame, I will place my marginal safety entry for a call trade. Now I have placed my call trade at the opening of the candle, but the candle has equal potential to come down and test our yellow line. The concept behind this setup is very simple and powerful: previous resistance turning into support. When the market breaks the resistance level and comes back to retest its support, it often creates a very strong opportunity for continuation in the upward direction. Now, take a look at this moment on the chart. The candle came down and retest my yellow support line. Immediately, I placed my marginal safety call entry. Ideally, I wanted to place the entry before the 30-second time mark, but the candle did not retest the level in the time. However, I was still confident with my position because of my entry was placed exactly in the support zone, which gives the market a good probability to move upward. Another interesting detail here is now this candle has given me a gap down opening. So in a bullish market, whenever a candle opens with a small gap down, the market often moves upward to fill the gap. This behavior usually indicates that buyers are still controlling the momentum, and that is exactly what is happening here. See, the candle, this one, has given me a gap down opening. So this candle has high potential to close as a green hammer just to fill the gap. And look at that. This is exactly what I predicted. The candle is now closing as a strong green candle, and in fact, it is forming a green hammer with almost no upper wick, which clearly shows strong buying pressure from the market. On the same chart, I executed 2 trades and both of them closed in profit. Now, let me explain the logic behind these trades. It is very important for you to know the logic behind the trades. Okay. So if you observe the market structure carefully, you can clearly see that the market is bullish and making higher highs. This indicates strong upward momentum, which my bias is towards call entry in this kind of market. So when the market shows strong bullish structure and respects support zones, it often provides high probability continuation setup, and that's exactly what I looked for. During this move, the market printed a red candle in between the buying momentum, and right after that, a green candle formed, giving me a clear confirmation that continuation from the buyers. Based on that structure, I mark a level on the top of the red candle because that area would now act as a support zone. When the market came back to retest that level, I executed my call entries back to back, following a continuation logic. Now, if we observe the current price action, the market has formed a green candle with almost no upper wick. Candles like that often indicates the market can lose bullish strength and prepare for reversal, and that's exactly what it seems to be happening right now. Now the next potential target for the price could be somewhere around the yellow box, which I'm going to mark it. Now this area will now act as a demand zone, and market has potential to go up to this level because now if you see the previous structure of the market is doing so. There's a selling pressure going on after a certain point. So here I can take my put entry after this red candle closes. You see the previous history of the candle. After a certain time, market has printed red candle. So this is not a counter trade. This is based on logic. So here, if this candle closes as a red one without any upper wick and only lower wick, we have got strong confirmation, and I will take my sell entry right at the opening. So let's see how this candle closes. I need at least a little bit of wick, and that's exactly what this candle is doing. So I will enter my marginal safety entry, let the candle come little bit up, and I'll be placing my put entry for extra safety. All right, so here I have placed my marginal safety put entry. Now this candle should go up to the yellow box. Also, there's a very strong pattern going on. The red candle, the first red candle has fulfilled my green candle completely, and plus one candle is a very strong confirmation that the market can still print one more red candle. Also, the demand zone, the gap between the demand zone and the next candle is very much. The market should likely to print one more red candle, and we have got a fair value gap going on here. If I marked this blue box, there's a fair value gap. So market has equal tendency to reverse from this zone. So I'll not be taking any more put entry. However, there's a lot of space between this candle and the opening of the candle. So I've taken a put entry, and that was a direct win as well. Back to back three trades on the same chart, and with that I have officially hit my daily trade limit. This is exactly why I always say quality over quantity. You don't need dozens of trades to make money in the market. Just a few high quality setup with proper confirmations are enough. And if you take trades with at least 2 to 3 confirmations, such as market structure, strong support and resistance, and candle behavior, your winning probability increases significantly. Alright traders, I booked a solid profit of $3,000 and I'm done for today. Don't forget to join my Telegram. And with that said, I'm signing off for today. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, happy trading.